Florida. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Who are you?
Hello? Oh, okay. Your door is open. No problem, no problem. Yes, yes, I'm inside your estate. Oh, okay, okay. All right, no problem. I can see the door. The door is open. I can see the door. I work for you. This boy is the bath by now. Eh? Just because I won't borrow money from her now. I have to check him out for her beg. He answer me. Ramajago, Nakanjago, Ramajago, Nakanjago, Ramajago. Florida.
Yeah! Yeah!
Who are you?
Hi. Hey, sorry. My name is Sabalo. I'm looking for Florida.
Who is Florida? Please close my door! Hey!
Sorry, don't be angry now. I'm just looking for Florida. Are you Florida's girlfriend?
Florida! Go out my house! Get out from here! Leave!
Sorry, I'm sorry. Sorry. Sorry, please. But please, I'm still looking for Florida. Are you Florida's
Jesus.
girlfriend? Yeah.
Get out!
Sorry. Hey, Florida.
Sabalo, when did you enter?
I thought this place was a flat. Oh.
That's not my house now. This is my house here now.
Sorry.
All is well.
Hey, excuse me, neighbor. Please, sorry, come.
Me?
Yeah, you.
All
Sorry.
Right. Good afternoon, neighbor.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hope no problem.
No, there's no problem. That your friend the other time, is it Ram?
My friend.
Yes.
My friend. Which of my friend are you talking about?
The black average guy.
Oh, Sabalo.
I don't know his name. Yeah.
I just saw him off to the gate. He has gone home.
Ah.
Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right.
No, wait now. I'm not yet done, sorry. I like him. Can I get to meet him?
Oh, you like my friend?
Yeah.
All right. I'll call him and talk to you about it.
Well, it's something serious. I can even pay you for that. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Yeah, like today and tomorrow.
Don't worry. Say no more. I'll bring him to your house.
I believe you.
6 a.m. be expecting me.
Thank you.
Hey, you like him?
Yeah.
I mean, I like you. You like ourselves. 6 a.m. All right.
Yeah. This is the money requested for.
Wow. Are you sure this money is complete?
Yeah, sure. That is 100K there.
Okay, it's nice doing business with you. My friend will be here in less than 30 minutes time.
Make it 15 minutes.
Oh, wow. I can see you're in a hurry to see my friend. All right. Later.
Yeah, wait, I'm coming.
Right.
Welcome.
Hey, thank you. Hey.
What's that your name again?
Sabalo.
Sabalo.
Yes. Hey, I was actually going for a meeting. I said, no, let me come and see you before I go for the meeting.
Yeah, I went to see you because of what you saw last time. I wanted to have a taste of it. Yeah.
Madam, I'm sorry. Just at that last time, I did not see anything. I don't really know what you are talking about.
Why lying? You say everything. Let's have fun.
Yeah. Sorry, oh, I don't understand, eh?
Yeah, I mean, I want you to have a taste of everything.
You know, to me, I did not see anything last time. But if you said I saw something, definitely I saw. But you know, I'm a man of timber and caliber. Strong Urobo man. I don't do things for free. I know you need me now. You understand? So you have to pay me for my services.
Money is not the problem. Yeah. Once you make me happy, I will make you happy.
That is not an issue.
What?
Sorry, oh, you mess?
No, how can?
I had something like boom. But nevertheless,
No.
no problem. If you want it, I'm ready.
What?
Hold on. You mess?
No, how can? I did not.
You guys see the mess? Hey. Hey. That guy is a dream. Hey. Florida. Hello?
Hello, Sabalo.
Florida.
Where are you?
I'm in my house.
Come, be coming to my place, Jerry. I'm in the bedroom taking my bait. Are you not going there again?
Eh?